Oh, dick, boys. Look at that. It is, you can tell it's dark in here. So, I don't know if you can see me. But if you can see, I don't know if you can hear. Hi, Ozzy! We definitely need the rain, but you can see. You can see it is. Oh, you can hear it. Yeah, we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. Sorry, Ozzy. I just wanted to get the shot. Get a better shot. So yeah, we're under a thunderstorm. We definitely need the rain because it's, I don't know if you can see me too good, but it's been starting to spittle. It's been hot and humid and like the last week here. So, I mean, we kind of need rain to kind of wet things down because when things are this dry, you know, it's no good. Too good when things are just, you know, yup. So maybe I'll get more video, but maybe if it starts raining and maybe get some lightning or thundering or... But you can see it's coming. Getting closer. You can hear it. You can hear it. Yep, here comes the rain. Hear it. Hear the rain hitting. No. Yeah, I know well actually last couple of days, I think it might have been either Monday or Tuesday we were supposed to get a severe storm, but it totally missed us, and this one's not going to miss us. This one's not going to miss us. Hopefully my camera battery will kind of last, but this, I don't think this storm is going to miss us. But we'll get more video maybe. If it gets closer, maybe. So they're supposed to get 60-mile-an-hour winds with it, so. And it's amazing. It was light, and now you can see it's like, turn some lights on, it's like freaking dark in here. Actually, hopefully we don't lose the lights. So, but get more video once it gets more here. I don't think it's fully here yet, just yet. I don't know if you can hear in the camera the rain hitting the ground, but it's raining. And you can hear it coming. So, yeah, it gets closer. I think with some more snapshots or something maybe ever. Alright. You can see she's in full tilt. It's getting here now. It's freaking raining hard. Like I said before, we kind of need the rain because, well, the cool thing's down because, oh my god, even today, last week, it's just been so freaking hot here. So, I mean, and also, like, this kind of weather, when it's this dry out and like this, and we haven't had rain for a week and this hot, me being a firefighter and stuff, you know, well, this is good brush fire weather. And I'm sure any of you other guys out there who are firefighters would say the same thing. This is good for brush fires. When it's this dry and for weeks or something, you got no rain. So we kind of need this to kind of wet things down. And as you can hear, it's pouring hard now. She's full. But I knew it was coming because seeing it on the radar, I knew we were going to get something. So haven't gotten the wind yet. Oops, sorry, Ozzy. Haven't gotten the wind yet too much. Oh, she's a bit of a puddle there. Blood coming into my patio there a little bit. Ooh, there's a flash of lightning. Just videotape this, I guess, until my battery on the camera quits on me. But figure I'd get some snapshots. I will say one thing, that the cool air definitely feels good. After today and all week of freaking sweating your freaking ass and balls off and roasted in the house too, and that cool breeze coming in definitely, yeah, feels nice. So yeah, it definitely feels nice. I unplugged my computer just in case. Hopefully don't lose the power, but just in case. Well, I plugged it anyway, cause. So who knows when I'll probably upload this either later, or who knows, whenever tomorrow. So I'll definitely wait, or at least until this blows over. Cause even though I have 2 laptops, but still, I don't want to take the risk though. Cause. Mostly so far it's just raining. And a little bit of crackles and thunders and lightning there, but mostly it's freaking rain. Whoa! See, I said lightning, and see, on cue. That's what I need from my movie, though. Good, yeah, some lightning, flashes, and you know. Oh, my dad's happy though. Water into the garden. Because the whole this week he's been having to water the garden manually. So my dad's definitely happy. What do you think, Ozzy? Yeah? It's storming there, Ozzy? Here come the fire coals. Don't take long. Oh. Oh well. Maybe get more shots if it gets. Well, I don't know. So that's been too bad. Cats don't care. They don't care that it's storming. Nope, there's another flash. I know this video is gonna be long enough and long and boring probably, and it's gonna take forever probably to upload more than anything in making it, but you know, just to get a little bit of a storm in, you know, and get some couple of shots of, you can see got a couple of shots of lightning and. Well, anyway, maybe I'll get a couple more if it keeps going and lightning. But for now, like I said, just to get a video of our thunderstorm. Like I said, I haven't gotten the winds yet, so who knows about that. Alright guys, just to wrap up. Oh. Just to wrap up the video, because I know you guys are going to be bored enough of watching it just, it's, you know, storm and stuff, because this video is going to be long enough, but, you know, it's still thundering, it's still lightning, pretty good, you know, kind of pretty good, but it's not too bad. Like I said, hopefully it'll blow over soon. Which it seems to be, because it's all moving that way, in that direction. So because you can tell it's coming from that, you know, that direction. So you can see when it lightnings over that way. As you can see there, the quick flat little flashies. But it seems like it's getting a little bit lighter that way, so like maybe it's, like I said, it's moving. Because before over that way, it was black and actually, I mean, it's still thundering back that way, but the more the thundering's over, you know, in this direction. Oh, yeah, see that? And you can see the lightning there. So you can see it's over. And if you've seen that lightning there, and you can see, yeah. Like I said, I know this video is going to be long and boring probably, but oh well, I mean, but still, come on. We want to watch a thunderstorm. At least we didn't get no tornado warning or anything with the storm, so which usually sometimes happens with these severe thunderstorms. It always sometimes it does, or so it's at least one good thing. Of course, we never really do. That's only like only ever a rare thing. But I think the storm's kind of passing, though. Like I said, it's going. Oh, there's a good flash of lightning. That's what I'm trying to get, some good snapshots of the lightning flashing there. Oh, there's one. See it in the... But the way I'm pointing the camera like over this way, you could... But you can tell when I'm pointing the camera, when my camera battery's starting to get low, so I'm going to have to quit anyway. But anyway, you can see the storm's going that way. As you can tell, that's where mostly when it's lightning over this way and thunder more than kind of over this way. As you can see over that way, it's kind of brightening it up, so you can tell the storm's going over that way. So But I'm gonna have to quit making videoing because my camera battery pretty soon it's just gonna quit. So, but anyway, like I said, the video's been long enough anyway. So I got a good couple of shots of lightning and the thunder and all that stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. Press the thumbs up button if you like. And also always feel free, to leave a comment or two. Well, she's definitely moving.